How to connect your n8n with Airtable to create CRM automations. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Airtable with n8n so you can create a lot of automation and make your work easy. Now, as you can see, I have already connected my Airtable with n8n, and this is my simple workflow to just simply add lead information into my Airtable lead list. Now, as you can see here, I have added already. Now, let me just perform once again. So this set lead data I have added just to show you. Now, let me just get back and execute this step again. Now, as you can see here, when you go and you will see this. Now, in order to connect your Airtable with n8n, what you need to do is, first of all, you have to open your workflow and search a node for Airtable. Now I'm going to search Airtable, and from here you have different actions, or you can choose trigger as well. Now you have a base action, then you have a record action. So then, if you want to add record or create record, you can choose that. Right now I have chooses this insert lead, or I have chooses this create record node. Click on that, and from there, when it will open, just simply click on this create to connect. Now just simply click on it and click on this create new credential. Now from there you will get two options like access token and OAuth 2. So OAuth 2 is little bit complicated, but you can have an access token in very few simple steps. So I will recommend you to go with the access token. Now in order to get access token, what you need to do is just simply click on this open document button. Now, when I click on this, it will redirect me to n8n document where we will get the link of the personal access token page. If you want to just simply paste this URL, you will be redirected to that page, but it makes a lot easier over here. Now, as you can see here, it takes me to this create tokens page where I can create a personal access tokens. So just simply click on it. And from here, you have to choose a create token button. Click on this create tokens. And from here, you have to give name to your personal access token. Let me say I will add this test 2. And from there, this step is crucial. You have to add a scope. Just simply run this add scope. Which scope you have to add is get back to n8n, and then you will find these three scopes which is necessary for this connection. First is data record read, the second is data record write, and then schema basis read. So I will just copy this and get back to my Airtable Builder Hub. Click on paste here and find that and click on that. And again, you have to add scope, get back to n8n, copy that, and get back to your Airtable, find the record or scope and select that. And again, you have to add the third, which is a schema based read. Copy this, get back to your scope adding page, paste that and select that scope. Now we have successfully added these three, which is necessary for doing work. So we have added that. You can add a lot of different scopes as well, but it's all up to you. Now I have added this. Now after, what you need to do is you have to add a base. So this token can access following bases if you have added this one. So I have already one base which I have created earlier, which is lead generator. So I will just simply click on it and select the base. Now, after selecting the base, what you need to do is create token. Click on this create token button, and then you will see a pop-up where you will find your token. Just copy that token and get back to n8n and paste that access token over here and click on the save button. Now wait for a few seconds. As you can see, our connection has tested successfully. Just close this. Now from here, you don't need to do a lot of things. You can go and connect and make your own workflow, or as you can see, I have already created this short workflow to just demonstrate. Now, let's say if you want to insert something. Now, for that, what you have to do is go to this plus icon and search for Airtable and click on this button. Select the Airtable node, and from there you have to choose the create record to insert a record into your base. Just simply click on this create a record. Now from here you will see the resources is already selected, and then you have operations, then you have a base you have to select, then you have a table. Now let me just select that, choose the base. I have already one base which is lead generator, and then again in that lead generator I have only one table which is leads, and after that selecting the tables, it will map all the columns. As you can see, I have all the columns. Let me close this and remove this one and remove this as well. Now I have already set the lead data. Let me just change the lead data with this maker, mm, maker, and then you have a company which is maker private limited. When you have, if you want to give a node and gate, and if you want to add values, you can add over here. And let's say if you go into records, so it works like in that way. Whatever you tables or create over here, it will fetch all the records over here. So you can put all the details into this columns. So let me just execute it again. As you can see, the name has been changed, the email as well has changed. Now what you need to do next is just execute this. Sorry, you have to just drag these things over here into the right column. You have to drag these fields. Now I will not add the date because it gives me error. Now let's execute this step. Wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, we have left some values over here like lead photo, company website. In that way, you can see the value is null. It means the n8n has nothing have added. So let's get back to our Airtable and close this and go to our table. As you can see, the lead list has been updated with this new record, which is maker and maker email address. Now, so you can create a lot of automations. So if I wanted to create a big automation, it will take a lot of time for the video. I just wanted to show you how you can create connection between your Airtable and n8n. And this simple workflow will help you to understand more, get better understanding and basic understanding about how you can do that. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.